Well, whatever you're planning, certainly not an outdoor wedding, hopefully during this time. Although I have to say, snowfall on a wedding day,
that's
kind of pretty, right?
If it rains on your wedding day, it's supposed to be a blessing.
It is.
So there you go.
Good luck.
I like that idea too. Yeah, mini Moni. That is interesting. Now, I also like the idea too because I'm one of those people who sometimes misses the wedding, but always makes the reception. I don't know how that works.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, when I first heard mini Moni, I'm like, wait, is that like alimony for a short person? Anyway, that's where my mind went. Outside, though, we are looking at mini Moni. Okay, they're giving me the daggers. Outside, we are vertically challenged. Well, this is like, now I'm also like this giant tall man. I mean, when I walk in front of this graphic, I'll be like, oh my God, someone's attacking the city. No, anyway, you can see we're looking at some clouds out there. Temperatures are coming in low to mid 30s across the area. Winds, this is actually a very big part of the story. Notice how they're coming out of the north, out of the northwest. This is dragging that colder air. Past couple of days, mid 40s. Not today. That cold air is back. And it actually feels like we are in the low to mid 20s across the area. So yeah, definitely dealing with a bit of a wind chill factor. And the other thing that we're looking at is what's going to happen by the end of the weekend. We are looking at the threat for a winter storm. It's going to affect the East Coast. It's going to affect actually portions of our area as well. We have winter storm watches in effect right now for eastern, southeastern Ohio. That's where we could see some significant snowfall accumulations by the time we hit Sunday into Monday. Right now, though, just dealing with those clouds. When we widen out, you can see we have, this is our system. It's going to take an interesting track. It's actually right now expected to track far to the south, kind of pick up some Gulf moisture and then move up the East Coast, and it looks like we are going to get brushed by it, especially in eastern Ohio. And we've been showing you these model comparisons, computer forecast model comparisons throughout the week, and it is looking like the threat for the heavier snow, and they're kind of coming into alignment with the European and the GFS, the American model. Both of them, notice, calling for the heavier snow east of the city, southeast of the city. I still think we could get some accumulating snow here. Looks like the heavier snow, though, will be to the east and southeast, and it's still a little early to really talk numbers, but here's kind of what I'm thinking, what I'm seeing, and we're going to have updates to this. These are going to change. I'm thinking in town 1 to 3, maybe 2 to 4. I'm thinking out to the east, there are some spots that could pick up where it's 5, 6, maybe a little more snow, inches of snow. Again, these are preliminary. These will change, but that's kind of what it's looking like right now. Got a good shot at needing that shovel by the end of the weekend here in town, especially out to the east and southeast. And actually, we can use the snow. We're in a bit of a snowfall drought. Normally, we have 10.3 inches of snow by this time of year. We've only had 1.4 inches so far. So hour by hour today, you can see those temperatures drop a little bit before they start to come up. We're at about 33 degrees at lunchtime, mostly cloudy to overcast skies throughout the day. We're looking at 36 for an eventual high. Dropping down to 20 overnight. It's going to be frigid, mostly cloudy, back up to 29, bitterly cold tomorrow. So we're going to be dealing with the clouds today, and it looks like we'll be dealing with that threat for snow by the end of the weekend. We're hitting a high of 36 today, 29 tomorrow. With the winds, it's going to feel more like we're in the teens. 36 with accumulating snow on Sunday. Even a few snow showers lasting into the holiday on Martin Luther King Jr. Day. We're back up into the upper 30s near average on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then cooling off by the end of the 10-day.